This is the new Ferrari Amalfi, a V8 2+ coupe to replace the Roma, and which Ferrari says offers an unprecedented balance of adrenaline and everyday usability. It also happens to look absolutely gorgeous, especially in this launch colour, Verde Costiera. The design harks back to Ferrari's timeless Grand Tourers of yesteryear, and you can clearly see the Roma's full-bodied curves and proportions here. But the Amalfi takes those influences and evolves them into a cleaner, more contemporary style. It's also worth noting that every body panel here is new versus the Roma. Inside we've got a dual cockpit layout that wraps around both the driver and passenger, 3 new displays as part of an all-new infotainment system, and got a new steering wheel with physical multifunction controls and physical start button. Again, it's just a cleaner, more contemporary kind of look. Pushed right back in the nose, we've got the 3.9 litre twin turbo V8, makes 640 horsepower, sends that to the rear wheels alone through an 8-speed dual clutch gearbox. So that's the new Ferrari Amalfi then. It's powerful, beautiful and usable every day.